Excellencies, dear professors and acknowledged experts, dear young people, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure for me as a Director General of the Central European Academy to welcome you all on the occasion of the 4th Children's Rights Day 2025, also in the name of our co-organizers, the Association for Children's Rights, Hungary, the Hungarian Association for Comparative Law, and the Faculty of Law of the University of Miskolc. I'm very proud to inform you that, similarly to previous years, the President of Hungary, His Excellency Tamás Olyok, has accepted our invitation to be the chief patron of our event. I feel outstanding honor to welcome high-ranking representatives of states, churches, universities, and the civil society among us. Allow me to welcome with distinguished honor Her Excellency, the State Secretary of the Ministry of Labor, Pension System, Family and Social Policy of the Republic of Croatia, Margarita Majeric. His Excellency, the Deputy State Secretary for Family Policy of Hungary, Dr. Attila Beneda. Professor Dr. József Miklósko, Commissioner for Children of the Slovak Republic. Please allow me to extend a special welcome to our guest, Professor Dr. Valéria Csépe, Honorary President of the Hungarian Accreditation Committee and member of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences. It's my great pleasure to welcome Professor Dr. János Ede Szilágyi, Director of Strategy at the CEA, full professor at the University of Miskolc, Hungary, and the intellectual father of the founding of the Central European Academy. And Dr. Márta Benyusz, President of the Association for Children's Rights, Hungary, and Senior Researcher of the Central European Academy. I extend a special welcome to scholars and experts representing the guest of honor country, Croatia, at our conference. Maria Barilic, Director of the Croatian Academy of Social Welfare. Tina Eljuga, Director of the Croatian Center for Special Guardianship. The advisors of the Ombudsman for Children of the Republic of Croatia, Davorka Osmak-Frančić, and Daniela Žagar. Diana Preglej, Judge of the Country Court in Zagreb. And distinguished professors from the University of Zagreb, Professor Dr. Alexandra Korács-Graová, Professor Ivan Šimović, Professor Dr. Anika Čulu-Margaletic, and Professor Dr. Josip Bosnjaković from the Catholic University of Zagreb. I'm very glad to inform you that, in keeping with the tradition of these conferences, our conference will be joined by a group of children, young people from 4 Central European countries, Croatia, Slovakia, Poland, and Hungary, and the event will be accompanied by an excellent exhibition of artwork created and collected from children. Dear young people and children, we are delighted that you are here with us. I would like to express my gratitude that many excellent scientists from Central European countries have accepted our invitation, so I strongly believe that our event will give a brilliant framework for a fruitful exchange of views. 3 years ago, in 2022, we established Children's Rights Days as a tradition, a space where we examine how our societies can better serve the needs and futures of children. This is our 4th annual international conference aimed at presenting the latest legislative achievements and best practices in Central Europe for the protection of children and strengthening of their rights. Our scientific forum will focus first of all on the best practices of the Croatian child protection system, as Croatia is our guest of honor country this year. Our Croatian colleagues, among other important measures in favor of child protection, bring with them a significant institutional innovation, the Social Academy, officially launched in March 2024. This is not simply a training program. It represents a comprehensive institutional commitment to professional development and system reform. The Social Academy serves as a coordinating center for social welfare professionals' basic training, continuous professional development, supervision, and methodological support across Croatia's entire child protection and social care system. Further topics of the 4th Children's Rights Days are the Central European Child Participation Platform as a new initiative, the child protection system, child-friendly justice, and interdisciplinary and child-friendly communication. This year's main theme, participation and genuine communication with children, speaks to something fundamental, the question of how children's perspectives can inform better policy, stronger institutions, and more effective protection. We are very proud to present to you also the results of the ICCR LLM program of the Central European Academy and its curriculum on child protection system. Over these 2 days, we will engage in rigorous examination of children's rights policy and practice across our region. Our expert colleagues will guide our discussions through carefully designed panels and sessions. To everyone here, we gather not because the answers are simple, but because the questions matter. How do we strengthen legal protections for children? How do we build institutional capacity? How do we ensure that children's voices genuinely inform better decisions? I believe Central Europe has particular value to offer in these conversations. We understand institutional renewal. We understand the challenges of building systems that genuinely serve their intended purpose. Now, we deepen that understanding together. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you all for your participation and thank all my partners and colleagues for their important contribution to organize this important scientific event. I'm convinced that today and tomorrow we will hear many excellent presentations. I wish you a pleasant conference. Thank you very much for your kind attention.